Hi, I'm Buck Buckley, owner of Klaus Roofing Systems by Buck Buckley. Okay, today I want to talk to you basically about drones and why we are making investments in technology like this that literally not only helps us, but it helps you, the customer, make an informed and educated decision. First, drone technology has been progressively getting better and better these last few years. Drones are getting lighter, they are getting faster, as you can hear it right over my head, and they are right in front of me, and they are flying much, much longer. Hi, little guy. But with that being said, they have gotten safer, much safer. You can see where I am, and I'm not flinching whatsoever, with sensors telling the operator it's too close to an actual object or if it is an issue with the drone itself. The drone will land itself in a safe and controlled state and not hit your house. That's a good thing. We take safety incredibly seriously at the Klaus Roofing Systems by Buck Buckley, and we train each operator on how to use all of this equipment. Next, let's just talk about why it's important to have and use the drone. The drone gives us a very clear and detailed image of your roof, giving us the ability to see other details about your roof that may be too hard to reach in person. 3 stories, 2 stories, it doesn't matter. Safety is our key. Ladders are not the most safest thing in the whole wide world all the time, even if you're a professional with them. When it comes down to it, this also allows us to show the roof to you and explain the issues we are seeing so you can see them. With a commitment to transparency and education, we just want to make sure that you're getting the wow service we are founded on. It's an investment like this that makes Klaus Roofing Systems by Buck Buckley stand out from our competition. If you recently went through damaging storm or a need for your roof to be looked at, we offer free consultations on the spot and walk you through the process. No slacking on proper materials. That's our biggest thing. We're going to show you why materials make the difference. Workmanship makes the difference. Literally, they have been proven to be the best with a 50-year warranty. Just call us today at 262-297-7771 today to schedule a free consultation. Listen, I look forward to welcoming you to Klaus Roofing Systems by Buck Buckley's family and putting a Klaus on your house. It's a great day to have a great day.